I
It's
don't know
so
what
much
it
more
is.
awesome to see a DQ. Because you could see more of the clouds and whatnot.
This is really interesting. Wonder what it is.
Thunder?
Well, yeah.
Lots
I mean,
and lots of thunder.
I don't know, it seems to have a pattern.
It does a little bit, doesn't it?
Bit too has a bit too much of a pattern to just be regular thunder.
I guess you could be right.
I don't know what else it'd be.
It could be.
You could even see it at Dairy Queen.
It could be electro.
Probably electrical
electrify-
storm.
I suppose. I was thinking more along the lines of electrical charged clouds.
Maybe. It's really cool.
It is. It is.
It's probably an electrical storm up there. Right, bruh? Like, cat, shush. Yeah, it is. Know what it is?
It's lightning, huh?
I think it's an electrical storm up there.
That would kind of make sense.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like that.
I haven't either.
It's really neat. And you're talking about thunder being